Inertia is the tendency of a body to resist a change in its state of linear motion, whether it's stationary or in motion. It's a physical property of matter that has no units of measures. It is a scalar quantity, which means there is no direction, only size and magnitude. Inertia is Newton's first law. To move a stationary object with large mass, a greater force is required to overcome the inertia of the object. Inertial mass is a measure of how difficult it is to change the velocity of an object. The greater the mass of an object, the more it resists To move a stationary object with a large mass, the greater force is required to overcome the inertia of the object. Inertial mass is a measure of how difficult it is to change the velocity of an object. The greater the mass of an object, the more it resists any change of state in its motion. Inertia is proportional to mass. This means an object with high mass will require more force to move it than an object with low mass. An example of this is a football will remain at rest or constant speed and direction until it comes into contact with another player, the ground, or experiences air resistance. When the ball contacts one of these factors, the ball will change speed or direction, as these factors are unbalanced forces. Momentum. Momentum is the quantity of motion that a body or object possesses. Momentum is a vector, which means having direction as well as a magnitude. The calculation for momentum is momentum equals mass times velocity. A sporting example of momentum is, in football, a player with more momentum will be able to knock over another player if they collide. This is due to one player having a higher momentum.